Welcome to my office. My name is Paul Dillingham and I work at Baldor and I am a machine operator. What I like about operating machinery is seeing it cut that hard metal into the finished product. It's really neat to see the machines cut that. Safety is the #1 issue at Baldor. You get really hurt if you're not on top of your game. It's very smart to get into manufacturing. It's something new every day. You're going to learn something every day. I have ever since I've been here. For safety reasons, these keys have to be in their position of auto to run the robot. I went to school for 11 weeks. It's called Fundamentals for Automated Machining. You learn a lot, you do some book work, and then you start working on the machines. When you finish the course, you get a certificate. To control the robot, this is the remote that you would use. It's kind of like a video game. I like working here. I've been here for 3 years. I like the technology that we have and the robots, and really advanced from what it used to be. Running the robot over to the first lathe, taking the finished piece out of the lathe where I can check it where it's in print. Some of the skills that you'll have to have is you work with people all day. People skills, work ethic. To move up in the company, you have to work really hard, and you gotta have a good attitude. Organization is really important. To make sure the part's right, you gotta have everything you need, your micrometers and calipers, your measuring tools. Right here are your micrometers. This is where you check your outside diameter. I've always loved math. It's challenging. Plan on going to school soon, getting my bachelor's degree, maybe for engineering, and moving up in the company. There's a big opportunity to advance. Now it's going to come over here and pick up a raw casting. Now it's going to go over here and put it in the first lathe to cut. My satisfaction comes from if I get a lot of parts out the door to the customer. It makes the day a whole lot better, seeing what you've accomplished that day. This is the beginning casting, the raw material, and then after it finishes with all the machines in here, this is the finished product. With your schooling, you could go anywhere pretty much. Manufacturing is all over the country. It's jobs available everywhere. What I like about Baldor is the advancement opportunities that you can have. The company treats you great, and the people here and the environment is great. They really work with you here, and it's a great place to work.
Good job, Paul. That was a good one.